Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can verify your ID on Coinbase. So in order to verify your ID all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now to begin with, first thing first, all you have to do is open up a login into your Coinbase account. So as soon as you're logged in, if you've not verified your ID, then you'll be able to find an option to verify your ID. Now to begin with, click on verify your info located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, on the other interface, it's going to take you to the verification process page. So here all you have to do is just provide in your information, that is your legal first name, date of birth according to the ID, your street address according to your ID, and then the zip code of the particular country where you are residing on or according to the ID. And then you need to go through some Q&A session where you need to provide in all of these information. And one of the important part is entering your social security number. Make sure to enter the accurate social security number, and as soon as you're done, click the continue button located right at the bottom, and that's basically how you can verify your ID on Coinbase. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.